Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another brand new Android Studio tutorial, and as the title says, today I'm going to teach you how to use toggle and if else method in Android Studio. So this is completely in depth into the Java programming. So let's get started without wasting time. I'm opening the Android Studio and here is a blank activity. As I have said in the previous tutorial, I have completely removed all the items when I'm doing a new project. So here is the toggle button, which is the subject of this lesson. So I'm just dragging the toggle button into the center. So what actually a toggle button means is, as you can see here, it shows it's turned off. Likewise, the toggle button has two different options. One is turned off and the another one is turned on. So when the button is turned off, it is called the button is not checkered. So when the button is turned on, it is the button is checkered. So now let's move to the text, and you can see here is the ID, that is toggle button, and here is the text which says that toggle button. We don't need this because it's useless, just remove that. Now we have the ID here, which is the main content of this tutorial. Just keep in mind the ID. Okay, now move to the main activity.java, and we have everything as like a new Android Studio project. I'm just showing that toggle button here as we have done in case of the button and many other things. So toggle button, I just want to name it as TG. Okay, so I have shown the toggle button inside the onCreate method, and as we have done in the button, we have to simply do an action when the toggle button is checkered and when it is not checkered. So in case of the button, we have used the button one click listener. In case of the toggle button, we have a one check change listener. So let's use that. So I'm typing tg dot set one check change listener. Again, new one check change listener. Now you can see it automatically created the public void one check changer. In case of the toggle button, we have two different status, that is turned on and turned off. So we have to separately show each result for each state. So in this case, we have to use the if else method. So this is the first tutorial that explains the if else method. So all we have to do is simply type if on the keyboard, and here it is. Just press that and it automatically creates the two brackets, open and close. Now all we have to do is simply type is checker. So this is the state when the toggle button is checkered, which is probably turned on. We have to type toggle button, that is just display a toast message. So toast, I'm selecting the second one, which is create a new toast, which will automatically do all the work we require. So finally we have to display a message when the button is checkered. So we have to type turned on. So in the second case, we have the else create two braces, and inside that just show the toast now off. Now let's go and run it in a live device and check the changes at all. So when I press the toggle button, you can see it displays turned on. When I press the button again, it shows turned off. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next tutorial.